Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we are focusing on a critical aspect of entering the Colombian market: the evaluation of labeling, Spanish translation, and instructions for use, or IFU, requirements during the medical device registration process. Colombia's regulatory body, the National Food and Drug Surveillance Institute, known as INVIMA, places a strong emphasis on patient safety, and a key part of that is ensuring all information is clear and accessible. The primary regulation governing this is Decree 4725 of 2005. This decree mandates that all information on medical device labels, packaging, and inserts intended for the user or patient must be in Spanish. This is not a suggestion. It is a mandatory condition for registration approval. During the submission process, INVIMA requires manufacturers to provide samples or final artwork of the labels and packaging. Reviewers meticulously check that all required information is present and in Spanish. This includes the product's name, the name and address of the manufacturer and importer, the INVIMA registration number, the batch or lot number, the expiration date if applicable, and any special storage conditions. Any information critical for the safe use of the device must be clearly legible and understandable to a Spanish-speaking user. The instructions for use is another area of intense scrutiny. A complete and accurate Spanish version of the IFU must be included in the registration dossier. INVIMA's technical evaluators will compare the Spanish IFU against the original language version to ensure nothing has been lost in translation. They assess the clarity of the instructions, the accuracy of technical terminology, and the completeness of all warnings, precautions, and contraindications. A poor or literal translation that is confusing or technically imprecise is one of the most common reasons for INVIMA to issue a query, which halts the review process and delays market entry. The translation must be performed by a professional who understands medical and technical concepts to ensure its fidelity. In summary, INVIMA's evaluation process is thorough. They verify that the Spanish language labeling and IFUs are not only compliant with the letter of the regulations, but are also accurate, clear, and ensure the safe and effective use of the medical device in Colombia. Failure to meet these standards will result in significant delays. Navigating these specific requirements in countries like Colombia can be complex. If your company needs help with global market access, including local representation and technical dossier preparation for INVIMA, check out Pure Global. In the description, you will find a link to our free AI tools and database. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.